everything is looking good.
What is not
like to check it every couple of
good to the park. The black little doggy.
In the back of the eye that you aren't going to feel. All right? I think you like with their teeth too.
Let me go look at myself.
No, like usually right away. It seems like.
Okay, what is it? Oh my God, a tornado! Sweetie, tornado!
Oh yeah, you can feel that. But if you get something in the back of your over there, you won't feel that. Like you will see it before you feel it. I would rather get that before you see it. And once you see it, then I can fix it. Yeah, that's great. I'm just trying to call it volcano, but here's the tornado he was having while we were checking your eyes. It was pretty awesome. He was obsessed with whirlpools and tornadoes. That's awesome. All right, make it a lot taller. Your job's pretty easy. Here's one. Just keep your head straight down toward the end of the rim. While your head's here.
Hello, people. Hello, people. Hello. Stop! That was weird, vertically. Check the one better, huh? Oh my God! Breathe out. Breathe in.
Oh my, just relax. So how did you get into insurance? You know, girl, I took the most like crazy way. I started off in aeronautical engineering. I know, craziness. But I wasn't that common when I was in high school. And so when I was in college, I was there in the summers, right? So like when I was in college, I worked at Walmart. This is one thing I so really great. So anyway, I worked at Walmart and I was a front-end manager at Walmart, and I was closing the business center one night, and I was like, in the summer, I go back and, I work some Walmart stuff, so, like, I would work on the evenings and weekends there, but I would work at this laundry office, during the day, and I love it, I was like, oh, she's like, well, if you want to come in here and work with me, I'll give you a raise. I was like, oh, okay, cool, that's good.
Puppy!
So, and loved it, and I was working nights and weekends when I was a student, and loved it, loved every minute of it, hated all my classes in aeronautical engineering. It was like driving me crazy and weird, and I can't hang out with these people around my life. This is gonna kill me, because they're all so yeah. And so so I switched over to biomedical engineering because I couldn't handle those people, and I really enjoyed it, but I enjoyed like the people. I enjoyed the contact, so I enjoyed all that. So I switched into all my anatomy and physiology and all those courses, and I loved all that stuff. Meanwhile, all working at optometry office the entire time, and when I would work, and the one summer my our office manager was moved down to our office that summer, and